So today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting in different number bases. So let's start with what we're familiar with, which is decimal, base 10, surprise, the one you use, and it has digits 0 through 9. So with this we have 436, which broken down means 4 10 to the 2, which is 4 hundreds. Then we have 3 10 to the 1, which is 3 tens, and then 6 10 to the zeros, which is 6 ones. And combined we make 436, a nice decimal number. What can we do with these decimal numbers? Well, we can add them together. I know everyone knows how to add, but we're going to break it down to understand what's going on behind the scenes. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. And 15 is bigger than 9, so we need to subtract a 10 out of it. So we put the 10 up here, so 9 plus 6 equals 15. 15 minus 10 equals 5, so 10 and 5. And then we have 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we have 675, a nice decimal number. Well, let's try it in a different number base. Let's say octal, which is base 8. And its digits are 0 through 7. So for a base 8 number, we have 2, 4, 3. This means that we have 2 8 to the 2's, or 2 64s, 4 8 to the 1, or 4 8s, and then 3 8 to the 0's, or 3 1's, which makes our nice little octal number here. We can do the same thing with octal numbers. We can add and subtract them and do all the kinds of math we want to with any other number. So here we have an addition problem. Let's try it out. So 6 plus 4 equals 10, but 10 is greater than 7, so that means we're going to need to subtract. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So we put 2 down here, we put the 8 up here. Let's continue. So 1 plus 5 equals 6, 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So we put the 8 up here and the 4 down here. Now we have 1 plus 4 equals 5, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you have 642. Base 8 is our answer for this. Pretty simple, not too complex, as long as you remember that 8 is the base. Now let's try something a bit harder. Let's subtract in base 8, which is where you have to pull things. So we have 1 is less than 5, so which means we need to cross that out, steal an 8 from this side, which means 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 1, yep. And 6 minus 4 equals 2. 204 in octal is our answer. And so basically you just have to remember to subtract out that 8, or whatever your base is. And thank you for watching.